Wait, this is not even out yet.
Oh wow, it's really golden.
It says that it is raw and sticky sweet.
There are lots of warm tone colors.
Beautiful shades here. I would think that I'm more that side of the palette. I thought the shade Honey was a bit too yellow for Asian skin, but like in person it's actually not bad.
Yeah, I'm excited to try it out. I use Sweet, a bit of Keeper, I used Golden for the glittery part, and I used Hive and a bit of Drip.
I used like almost half of the colors in this palette. Sting was the main color that I used, and then Drip to sort of complement it. And for that highlight, I liked HBIC because I'm that kind of gal.
I think it's pretty wearable. I think I would maybe use the more matte shades for everyday, and then just to glam it up a bit, I will use the golden colors.
If you wear this to the office, I don't think anyone will bat an eye. It's just, oh, going out tonight? I like it that the pigments have such high payoff, so you know, just a little bit will go a long way.